How to use the universal sensor cable attachments on an SACIQ cable. The SACIQ cable connects to both sensors and the many mounting options available. To connect to a compatible IQSN mount, unscrew the black ring on the cable to reveal the threads. Feed the cable through the mount, in this case a single sensor holder, and screw down onto the threads. Now attach the other end of the cable to your desired sensor. Keep in mind, any sensor cable will work with any IQ SensorNet sensor. Finish installing the rest of the mount, shown here as a chain mount. For more information, please visit ysi.com/IQSN.